Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Therapy. Today I have all kind of video planned for now. I have all a video about my brother, son and all them sitting there. But right now, them kind of video there for wait. This one won't be long. It's a message from the local YouTuber out to the people of Jamaica. Before I do that, I'm going to throw in a quick birthday shout out. DJ Timeless, big up yourself. I know this is not the kind of birthday that I want under them kind of circumstances, but you have life same way. So big up yourself, see and stay safe and the whole family. That's DJ Timeless on the Patreon squad. Talk to the rest of them. Jamaicans. Long time I telling you say, anytime when you see the real Dan, I go ball. Can you love calling yourself Danny? When you name Nicky, you turn Nicky Dan. And then now when you see the real Dan, I want to turn Donovan. One Dan, the real one Dan I pass through. We are talking about nature itself, we are talking about forces where your rifle can't help you from. Your links. What you have to understand, times like them, yeah, show you say man and a nothing. Because even the man them thinks of them body right now, anxiety will kill them. Them not tell you, but anxiety will kill them. Because normally when time them and somebody a fight, they can go for them gang and fire be a shot and go burn down the house and go in the yard. Get them big lawyer beat the case. Where you go to fire shot off for Melissa? Where you go to put on your bulletproof vest when Melissa come? Our man do a beating long time. Enough time Jamaica escape it. I wonder if Jamaica will escape again. And by escape I mean the whole island are done. Because there will be damage. Serious damage, but I mean the whole. I'm talking about you know, like when time your phone say factory reset, Jamaica might go factory reset. If that storm really do what it can do. Everybody may call be a gospel music in that background. Normally when time me call and say, what going on in that background, me poop, poop, poop. All kind of sitting in that background. Now me and you Grace Chillers. Me and your sister Scully, you want? In Hurricane Gilbert, what saved Jamaica? In Gilbert, community. And it will go save Jamaica again. Community. When you love talk about I and me, right now, it's not the time for that. If you can, remember son everybody have somebody. Especially the elderly, especially the weakies. Knock on them door. In spots where you're there. You're in there. You know spot them live there now, nobody not can look for them. When the storm pass, go knock on them door. They make the people them stung at the house and dead in there until they start smelling them. I mean I talk about community. Now is the time to protect. You see them people me I tell you about and nobody can look for them. Remember say dopey but still a walk road. And them know say people vulnerable. Your money can't help you. Because the banking system might go down. Your big car can't help you because you might can't drive it out the roadblock. What I'm most worried about is the fact that in a Hurricane Gilbert time, Jamaicans were more. Let me just say, them know how to live off of the land. In a Gilbert, you have to live off of the land. In a Gilbert, you have to pick up food from tree blow a ground and you have to pick it up and eat it. Or some tree where people never know say make edible food. Some recipe where Jamaicans never try yet, they have to try in a Gilbert. But the modern day Jamaican has lost many of our traditions. Without KFC and Price Mart, how Jamaicans are going to manage? Without KFC and Price Mart, how Jamaicans are going to manage? If your neighbor malice, put it aside. If you want your neighbor malice, put it aside until after the storm gone, the light come back, the water come back, the road them clear again, then we can start malice again and start go like nonsense again. But right now, no time for that guy. I look at you up on the mic talk, you know. Check man, who for check man. Give us strength, who for give us strength. That's the way I left that one, yeah. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.